We urgently need to talk about the highly rumored Apple Ring. If you're anything like me, you probably look at your heavy smartwatch right now and think, do I really need this giant glowing screen strapped to my wrist all day long? Well, Apple has been leaving a massive trail of sneaky breadcrumbs for years now, and they all point straight to a tiny little smart ring that could literally change the entire tech ecosystem overnight. Think about it for a second. Apple is definitely not a company that just rushes out and drops a random gadget for no reason. They are super deliberate and incredibly patient. They love to sit back in the shadows, let everyone else make the messy early mistakes, and then they swoop in and drop a product that feels completely obvious the second you try it. We saw it with smartwatches, we saw it with wireless earbuds, and guys, that exact same pattern is happening right in front of us with smart rings. Right now, we are seeing companies like Oura and Samsung putting out some really cool rings. They are basically going through the messy trial phase and proving to the whole world that yes, people actually do want to wear a tiny computer on their finger all day and all night. The market is totally validated right now. People are actively craving passive health tracking without having a bulky, heavy watch digging into their wrist while they try to get a good night of sleep. So Apple does not even need to test the waters anymore. The consumer demand is totally real and growing super fast, and when Apple finally steps into this smart ring game, they are not going to just give us a basic, boring step tracker. Oh no, they are going to give us something so incredibly polished and so deeply tied into the rest of the Apple ecosystem that it will feel like pure magic. Let us talk about why this is way more than just a fun little tech rumor. The absolute biggest clues we have right now actually come straight from Apple's own patent history. Now, I know reading patents can sound super boring, but hear me out on this one. When you look at what their engineers have been secretly filing and protecting since 2019, it paints a totally wild picture of the future. We are talking about official filings for a wearable electronic ring computing device. The wording alone is crazy. It is not just a health tracker, it is an actual input device. The leaked patents talk about built-in hidden microphones and insane biometric sensors. Just imagine having an always-with-you interface that does not constantly scream for your attention. A watch is always buzzing and pulling you into annoying group chats. But a ring is completely silent. It tracks everything smoothly in the background, but it can also trigger powerful actions with just a tiny, subtle finger movement. They even filed a specific patent in 2020 that was heavily focused on gesture-based controls, because a ring form factor can easily detect microscopic changes in pressure and motion. This means the Apple Ring could literally become a magical remote control for your entire digital life. Just picture this insane scenario for a second. You're sitting on your comfortable couch watching Apple TV, and instead of digging between the cushions for the silver remote, you just rotate your finger a tiny bit to turn up the volume. You want to pause the YouTube video, just tap your thumb against the side of the ring. You want to scrub through a video timeline or skip a song on your AirPods Max. Just do a subtle slide on your finger. No physical remote to lose. No iPhone to unlock. No bright watch screen shining in your dark room. Just a quiet, stealthy control layer that feels perfectly natural. Right now, most rings on the market are hyper-focused on just your basic health metrics. And sure, Apple is absolutely going to nail the health stuff. A ring is the absolute perfect form factor for tracking your sleep, monitoring your body temperature, and checking your heart rate passively. But Apple's absolute biggest superpower has always been their crazy ecosystem integration. If Apple makes this ring, it becomes the ultimate physical key to your life. Think about walking up to your locked Mac, and it just magically opens without touching Touch ID. Think about securely paying for your morning coffee or approving a smart home action with a literal flick of the finger. It is that sweet ambient computing dream where the technology just fades into the background without you noticing. Now, the absolute biggest question everybody is asking is this: what happens to the Apple Watch? Honestly, I think the Ring is just going to perfectly complement the watch. You wear the watch during the day when you want to see your texts and track a heavy gym workout. But you swap to the Ring when you just want a comfortable night of sleep tracking. Or, and this is huge guys, it completely opens the giant door for people who absolutely hate wearing watches. Some people just want the health stats without the bulky screen. The Ring completely solves that massive problem. So when you stack all these clues together, the validated market, the insane gesture patents, and the hungry Apple ecosystem, an Apple Ring feels totally inevitable right now. It is not a random experiment, it is the absolute next step in making our tech invisible and frictionless. So I want to pass the big question over to you guys right now. What exact year do you honestly think Apple is going to finally drop this smart ring? And what is the one single crazy feature that would make you buy it on day one? Drop your honest thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this super fast tech dive, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome updates. I will see you guys in the very next video. Goodbye.